Hope everyone is doing amazingly well. Today we are going to learn how to do nail art using the stamping technique. So for this, first let's apply a base polish. This is a beautiful turquoise polish available at Walgreens. It is a mini polish from a set of 3. Before applying this polish, I have applied base coat on my nails. I'm not applying this polish on my naked nails. That could be dangerous. Polishes can stain. However, apart from applying the base coat, I've also applied a liquid barrier around my cuticle area because stamping can get quite messy and it's easier to clean off if you can directly peel it off. I'm going to be using this metal plate by Beauty, sorry I don't know how to pronounce it, and this Pretty stamping polish in the color dark armor. It's really pretty. Also, I'm going to be using a regular clear stamper and a normal scraper, which you usually get with a stamper, but if not, you can use any card or any expired debit or credit cards or just a piece of cardboard. Now I'm going to place this stamping plate on a flat surface and then apply the stamping polish over it randomly. There is no fixed motion, and then scrape the polish. You have to scrape the polish such that make sure that every part of the design has the polish. Now roll your stamper over the design and then roll it again over the nail. This way you will pick up the stamping design and also stamp it over your nail. Once again, I'm showing you how to do this. Make sure you have a paper or something protecting your table or whatever is below the stamping plate from getting completely stained by the stamping polish. Now I'm rolling the stamper again and then rolling it on my nails. You can see there is a little bit of design which is outside the nails, but that's fine. This is why we applied the liquid latex or the liquid barrier in the first place. Now, how not to stamp? You can apply the stamping polish on the stamping plate again, but if you scrape too much, then you might actually scrape off all the polish. So don't keep scraping it again and again. And make sure to quickly pick up the polish from the plate. If you keep it for a while, it won't really pick up. As you can see, nothing happened. If you pick it up quickly and then don't quickly transfer it onto your nail, it will still not transfer properly. This is one of those techniques which needs to be done really quickly. Now again, using the right technique, scraping it a little bit just so that the entire design is covered, I'm going to roll it over my finger and get the design on. Now you should clean the stamping plate between every stamp. You can use regular acetone to do the same. Clean your stamper as well. For that you can use any normal sellotape, scotch tape, and it just comes off easily. Do not use acetone on your stamper, it may ruin it. Also, I've heard that nail polish removers which have added oils or such should not be used on a stamping plate. Anyways, so here our stamping mani is all ready and set to go. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and all those good things. Thank you guys for watching and